Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chachi, your Filipina from Las Vegas. For today's video, I created this makeup look because I have been thinking most of the time on this channel I have been uploading smoky eyes, glam look, but I barely have video using day-to-day makeup. So for today, we're gonna give it a little twist. I'm gonna be doing a simple makeup tutorial for you guys. Just a simple, quick and easy. Less than 30 minutes, I did this makeup. So if you want to know how I created this look, just keep on watching. And if you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can get notified on all of my future uploads. So here you go guys, and we're back. I did my eyebrows off camera, and now I'm going to spray my face with the e.l.f. Control Primer Mist. So I'm just gonna wait for that to dry, and we're gonna still go in with another primer. I've been loving this one. I think it's like 2 or 3 videos already that I have been using this one, because I noticed if I really put a good amount, it really makes a lot of difference on my skin. And I have a pimple right here again. So taking it on the tip of my nails, since it doesn't have a scooper, and pushing the product in. I'm like trying to make sure that I am centered on the camera. So for today, I'm gonna go in with the foundation first. Usually and typically, I do my eye makeup first, but I figure since I'm just gonna be staying home, what the heck, just do the foundation first, Charissa. So I'm gonna go in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Natural. And I saw this one in Target the other day, so might as well, I told myself, might as well just try it, and I hope it is on my shade. So picking it up with a beauty sponge. I think it's too light, but that's okay. We're gonna warm it up with bronzers and all that stuff. You know how much I like having a full coverage foundation. So with the first layer, as you can see, I still have all of my blemishes. I can still see it did not even out my skin tone. It is still right here. So let me just try to build it up, and we'll see how it will go. I have seen this foundation on YouTube a couple of times, but I never really watched a review. And then I saw it on Target. So always make sure to blend it, especially if you're like off a little bit on the shade. Make sure you're blending it down to your neck, because you don't want having that line right here, which is so noticeable. So I am thinking that this foundation is exact the same, or like not exact the same, like a same thing as the L'Oreal Infallible. Because L'Oreal Infallible, if I do put it kind of like not that much, but after I finish my makeup, after a couple of hours, like an hour after I put it on, then it will look so nice. But right now, it dries up pretty nice. I don't really think that it is a full coverage, because I can still see it right here, and I already built it up. Does it claim? See, it claims that it is full coverage, but for me, or probably I just have too much blemishes. It is not a full coverage. So for my concealer, I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place concealer and blending it all out. So I'm just gonna use that concealer as well as my eyeshadow base. I'm so sorry, I forgot to turn off the fan. Oopsie daisy. Did you guys hear that on the background? That's my fan. I was gonna buy the Dyson one, the nice like that, but me, I'm always hot, and I tested out on the settings, the max setting. I know that's not gonna work for me, so I'm gonna go in with I cannot talk today. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. pressed powder just to set, there you go, all of the spots that we did put our primer, even our eyeballs. And I'm gonna use the Covergirl True Blend Mineral Loose Powder for our under eyes to go Bakeroo. I like this one because it really brightens my under eye. Oh, it went to my eye. Oh, my eye is watery. It went to my eye. So this also will serve to catch all of our fallout, just in case the shadow that we put has a little thingy that we're gonna go in our face, since we already did our foundation. For today, I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted eyeshadow palette. So we're just gonna do a simple but super nice eye look. So I'm gonna go in this shade right here. It does not have a shade name. It only has numbers at the back. So I'm going in with this first brown shade right here, making sure to tap your brush before you go in, because if you don't, you're gonna have a lot of fallout in your face, and that's not gonna be nice because we already did going in our crease. So this makeup look is gonna be like super quick and easy. So just like a little wash of that color in our transition, and that will help us for a nice like effect on our eyes. And I'll be going in this shade right here, and I'm going to use the Morphe M513 brush. This shade is just a little bit darker on our face, on our first shade. And then going in with Morphe E17 brush on this darker shade right here, placing it on our outer, just the outer corner of our eye. And going back with the Morphe 513 brush just to blend the edges softly. And going back in with a fluffier brush, and this is the Makeup Shack T12 brush, just going over circular motion like this so we don't have any hard edges. Sorry, that's my phone. So in this one right here, it's either you can go on a glittery or a matte to put in the inner corner, or you can just leave it as it is. But on today's video, I'm gonna go in with the white shade right here for our inner corner. No, not inner corner, for our inner lids. I am not gonna put a shimmer today. So going back in just in the corner just to have a little more depth. And for my brow bone, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I'm gonna go in all mattes today. No bling bling. Usually I always go for a shimmer. You know your girl loves the shimmer shadows. But today we're just doing an everyday simple makeup look, because I'm not going anywhere. I haven't gone anywhere for like a long time. No, Charissa, you went out for a dinner last Friday, remember? So sweeping our bake away, and I'm gonna go in this shade right here, just a little bit on our under eye. So just to add a pop of color, I'm going in with the Sephora Colorful Gel Liner on the shade Midnight Blue. And I am just putting it in our waterline. And we're just gonna give our lashes a quick coat of mascara, and I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara, and this is in the shade Black is Black. My lashes is like non-existent. And this is also what I'm going to use for our bottom lash. And then our eyes are done. So that went quick. That was really quick for my eye. Oh, my mascara went in there. So our eyes is done, and I'm gonna go in now for my face. I'm using the e.l.f. Forever Sunkissed bronzer just to give a little dimension for our face. And for our blush, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild blush, the shade Newest Society. And this one has a little bit of sheen into it, like a little shine. And for our highlight, I'm also gonna go in with the e.l.f. Shimmer Highlighting Powder. So as you can see, we're not even done with our face makeup. And my nose, foundation in my nose is already moving. It is not nice. So it is already moving, as you can see it right here. So I don't know about it. I don't like that. So with my lips, I'm just gonna go in with the Wilson Gabrielle X Colourpop. And all we need to do is just set this face, and I'm going in with the e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and Set. I'm gonna wait for this to dry, and I will be right back. So here you go, guys. This is our finished look for today. Just a quick, simple, day-to-day makeup look that we can always do every day. I think it took me like 30 minutes just to finish this look. So I hope you guys do like it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can get notified on all of my future uploads. Thank you guys for watching.